About to go green, stay focused.
Okay, I did this race a couple of days ago and really enjoyed it, so we're doing it again. It's the IndyCar round Spa, and this is one where you choose two different sets of tyres. This time I'm starting on the harder tyre, and I'll go to the soft tyre after the pit stop. Although looks like they've already gone. So we're towards the back, although the field was relatively close in terms of times. I think the leaders are going to get away, but it's whether I can keep up with the hard tyres with all those around me. And this guy in front's on the hard tyres, but the ones ahead of that are on the softer tyres. So let's just get the tyres up to temperature if we can. I'm not going to use push to pass just yet. Just want to settle into the race. See where we're at, see what the pace is. And then we'll try it later on. Done a couple of races in this car, so I'm getting more used to it now. Guy behind seems keen, doesn't he? I don't know what tyres he's on.
You got it, slow car on the right.
Somebody off? Not yet. Oh, lots of stuff on the track, look. You can see the effect it's had on our tyres. They're not up to temperature yet. Oh dear, people being pushed around. It's nice and dry. I have done this in the wet as well in practice. It's quite interesting.
Slow car ahead.
Okay, somebody off. Okay, this guy's got a run.
Left side.
He's on the hard tyre though.
Still there, hold your line.
I don't want to compete around there. That one's gone off as well. My glass screen is a bit dirty, but I did map a button, but there's no way to clean it.
604.
So I think I have to wait for the pit stop and they take the tear off. That's what'll happen. Anyway, let's go after these guys. See what we can do. Can't really tell who's using push to pass and who isn't. Oh, interestingly, this race, I've just did a practice race. This race, we seem to be going into Eau Rouge a bit quicker. So I don't know if there's more grip, maybe. I want to get under 2 minutes if I can. Maybe a bit lower. Gosh. Nearly went then. Put the brake balance forward a couple of clicks. The tyres still aren't quite ready. That's one of the issues. When I get into my rhythm, I will close up. It does look like we're falling off the back, doesn't it? Let's see what we can do about that. I want to save my push to pass for later on. So I'll have a later pit stop. I'll go as far as I can on the fuel I've got. And then use the tyres up after that. So they are going quite fast, aren't they? Relative to us. Need a bit of fighting to let me catch up, really. Gosh, look at that, they've really got away. Okay, I need to try a bit harder, I think. I'd like to get on the back of him. Bit of dust there. Okay, I'll call you back if I get closer to them.
Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Car stopped on the right. Go right.
Okay, so somebody's gone off. So that didn't take long. This was a guy that was getting bumped around earlier, I think.
.489.
He's not had a happy race, has he? He must be using push to pass. So I'll do the same. See if I can close up on him a bit. He's getting away, isn't he?
The car stopped on the left.
Someone else gone off. People making mistakes, aren't they?
59.652. New fast flat for you.
See if we can get any closer. I think they must be using push to pass as well as a slipstream. So I'm not getting any closer.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 2.3 seconds.
Well, if those two trip over each other, we might be okay. Really dirty screen. Nothing I can do about it though. Nearly made a mistake again, hasn't he? Now we're on him.
59.803.
He's done the same again there. Turned in and he oversteered. Can we use the slipstream then? We can, but we're not close enough to get by. So I don't know if he's used push to pass. He might have done, because he kept away, didn't he? Anyway, if he's quick, he might drag us along a bit. His fastest lap is quicker than ours, so it's just whether he's got damage or not, isn't it? He's not going as quick as he was, is he?
To go. The leader is running 58.98.
That's only 8 laps. Oh, this must be a short version of the race then.
0.04.
I've been doing like 21 lap versions where you have to do a pit stop and stuff. So I'm on the wrong tyres then. I could have been on the quicker tyres. Oh, what an idiot. Oh well. Maybe that's why it's quicker, I don't know. Okay. So we've got less fuel on board then, I guess. Oh, I might as well use my push to pass then. How annoying.
There's an incident ahead. Slow car ahead. Slow car.
I thought there was going to be pit stops and all sorts. Okay.
Straight.
Pays to check, doesn't it, before the race, how long it is. Okay, 2 laps to go then. Why am I on these tyres then? I'm up it. Use all my push to pass then.
White flag. 1 more lap to go.
Maybe their tyres are struggling a bit. We've caught them up, haven't we?
59.308. New fast lap for you.
But he's on the hard tyres, so he shouldn't be having a problem, should he? So I don't know what that's about. Last lap then.
You've got about 5 laps of fuel left.
Is this everyone's tyres going off, is it? Or if people use their push to pass and now we're catching them up. Don't know. All I know is we're on the final lap. We've all come together, haven't we? Lost a bit of time there. So do you reckon there's going to be some issues into the chicane? What do we reckon? I reckon there will be.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 57.865.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, those two killed each other. Let's have a look at the replays. Okay then, so here's all the action then. This is just coming around to the start, so we dropped back a bit too much. I'm thinking this is a 21 lap race, not an 8 lap race. So anyway, yeah, we got going. Then what happened? So a little bit of pushing going on. Oh, someone just nearly lost it, didn't they? And onto the curb and then across the track by the looks of it. Are they going to get hit by someone? No, they were lucky. Okay, and then what have we got? This is mid-pack. Oi! Yeah, that's a big crash. You're out, mate. Now what? A couple of people side by side just over-rotated. Unlucky. And is this the leaders? Oh, yeah, that happens. I've done that myself. Just a bit of a touch. Oh, rejoin. Yeah, unsafe rejoin. Unlucky. Yeah, made a right mess of that, didn't he? Ruined it for some others. And then what's this then? These two getting together on the last lap. Yeah. I mean, that was a mistake. He just over accelerated and turned left, unfortunately. So I don't think it was deliberate. They're just both trying to finish the race. There we go. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Okay, let's have a look at the results. So 2 splits. That's the top split. Got some safety rating, which is nice. Got some I rating, which is nice. So yeah, I was on the wrong tyres. I should have been on the alternates. I did a 59.3. I could have been in the 58s quite easily, I think, with the alternate tyre. I didn't notice. Didn't notice that it was the short, not the long race. Anyway, that's another lesson. I'm learning all the time. Anyway, it was a good race. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. If you did, then please do stick around. I will pay more attention next time and not make such a stupid mistake. But if you want to see me at the next race, then please do stick around, hit that like, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.